So, actually, the thing is, you were thinking about like what funny things I'm doing. Actually, we all are in quarantine now, and we are missing the best part of our life, and that is the travel part. So I thought like reminding of like this kind of train whistles may also remind you of some good travel memories. So just joking guys, I'm missing the travel part as well. So what's up everybody, this is Dulishri and welcome to my channel. So today I will take you to a different tour, a tour to the world of my creativity, to a sketchbook tour. So without any further ado, let's jump into the thing. So that's it for today, guys. And another thing I want to say, like, I got a beautiful surprise from one of my subscribers, one of my friends, and he's an awesome artist too, because I was really not ready for this big surprise. So here's a surprise. My portrait, and one fine morning I wake up and got this surprise. And thank you so much, Jefferson, for this wonderful gift. I'm so so honored to get that. And another thing, I also promised to my subscribers that after getting 100 subscribers, I will give a free portrait or something for one of my subscribers. So here is your portrait. Just a second. So Jefferson, here's your portrait, and I know you have already got it. So thank you so much again. So that's it for today, guys. And if you like this video, please do not forget to subscribe, comment, like, share, and share with someone who might like this too. So bye bye, guys. I will see you in the next video. Till then, ta-ta.